All right, in this video we're going to go over kind of how we're going to arrange our site and how we're going to structure it. So everything we've kind of done up to this point probably hasn't been a whole lot different from maybe what you've seen in other trainings or what you've read. Everything we've done so far is pretty standard, but now we're going to do things a little bit differently. And I've kind of found how I do these steps differently has really affected my sites and getting better rankings, getting more traffic, and of course making more from AdSense. So as we move forward here, these steps are going to be very important to kind of how you set up your site and how you arrange everything. So I want to go over the site structure before we actually start doing it, so you kind of have a good overview and you know why we're doing it. So here's how we're going to set up the site. So I took the keywords I had found. So I'm targeting with my home page. My number one keyword is how to swing a golf club. So you see that up at the top. So that's our home page. Under that, we have the three different categories. So we have the one plane golf swing, two plane golf swing, and inside out golf swing. Now the arrows you see, those are links. So the home page is going to link to the top of each main category. So the home page is going to link to our page about one plane golf swing. The home page is also going to link to the page two plane golf swing and inside out golf swing. From there, we are going to create additional pages for the other terms we found that were a little less competitive. So for one plane golf swing, that page will then link to the page one plane golf swing drills. That page will then link to one plane golf swing tips. And then of course that final page in the category will link back to the home page. Now the reason we do this is all for SEO. If you have a site, kind of the normal site is you have your home page and you have a sidebar, and the sidebar basically just lists every page on your site or all the posts on your site. So every page on your site is linking to every other page on your site. And what you end up doing is you end up wasting a lot of your page rank or your link juice, however you want to kind of phrase it. So from the way we do it this way, we kind of funnel the page rank and all kind of our link juice that we get through the site. So any links coming into the home page, the home page will get benefit from those links, and then it'll also spread that link juice to the top level of each of our categories. So it'll spread it to the one plane golf swing page, the two plane, and the inside out golf swing page. From there, we don't want each of those pages again linking to every page on the site. We only want those pages linking to the next page in that category. Now again, the reason we do this is because now the term we target with the homepage for this example is how to swing a golf club. So that was the most competitive term. So the way we have it set up, that page is going to get the most link juice. From there, we go to the next competitive terms, which are the one plane golf swing, two plane golf swing, inside out golf swing. And then as we go down those levels, those pages are going to get less link juice, but they're also less competitive and kind of less important because they have more traffic. So doing it this way, we can funnel our page rank to really focus it to pages based on how competitive they are to rank for. So this is going to have a huge benefit on SEO. I've been doing this a lot lately. I've seen very, very good results. So instead of having all of our page rank and link juice just scattered throughout the site, we can kind of mold it to go to exactly the pages we want to. So this is very important. And again, I'll show you how to do all of this when we begin to set up the site. I kind of just want to give you an overview so you have a good kind of view of what we're trying to accomplish, why we're trying to do it. So now when we go into the videos kind of detailing exactly how to do it, you'll know why we're doing it, and there'll be a reason, kind of a reason behind the madness that we're doing. So that is the site structure. So again, hopefully you did your keyword research like I talked about. You picked a main term for your home page. You picked kind of some categories, and then you listed those in order of how competitive they were. And that is how we're going to lay out the site. So in the next video, we'll start putting some content on the site. I'll kind of show you how we're going to set it up to achieve this structure and how we're going to kind of interlink all the pages together.